Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let x be the set containing first 2018 term of the arithmetic progression this. Okay, so there is set x which contains 208 terms, 2018 terms, and which look like this 1, 6, 11. If you'll observe, the common difference is 5, so it is 16, 21. Okay, and then we will have 5, so it is 26. Okay, so this will keep on going till 2018 elements. Correct. Now, and y be the set containing first 2018 terms of the arithmetic progression this. So there is another set y which contains the same number of elements and which is also an AP whose terms are 9, 16, 23 dot dot dot. It also carries 2018 elements. Correct? Now find then the number of elements in the set X union, this has to be Y. Okay, so we have to find out the number of elements in X union Y. X union Y. As you all know that it is number of elements in set X plus number of elements in set Y minus number of elements in X intersection Y. Correct? So we already know that we already have an idea that the number of elements in set X is 2018. Number of elements in set Y is 2018. Now we have to find out the number of elements in like the number of common elements in both the series. Okay, for that if you'll observe, both are in AP, so the common elements will also be in AP. Okay, so focus on X. So if we will talk about the first common term, the first common term is 16. So in common series, the first element is 16. And if we will talk about the common difference D, it should be LCM of D1 and D2. So what is D1? D1 is 5 and D2 is 7. So the LCM will become 35. Okay. Now the idea is if you will observe the first set X, its first element is 1 and common difference is 5. If you'll observe set Y, its first element is 9 and common difference is 7. So according to look at this idea, I feel that the first element of X is smaller than the first element of set Y. Correct, and also the common difference is also smaller, it is 5 and that is 7. So I feel that as we will grow, the set X will vanish first. Correct. So we have to find out the last element of set X. Otherwise you have to find out the last element of set X and set Y and you have to focus on the smaller one. But I feel that uh, set X will vanish first because its first element is smaller than the first element of set Y and also the common difference is also small. So set X will vanish first. Okay, so now we will find out the last element of set X. Okay, so I'll talk about an. An is what? A plus n minus 1d. So n is what? The number of term is 2018. So n minus 1 will become what? N minus 1 will become 2017. Still n minus 1 into d. So a is 1. Okay, we have 2017 17 into common difference. Common difference is 5. Okay, so if you'll multiply both the things, if you'll simplify thing, you will have 1 plus 10085. Okay, so it will sum up to 10086. So this is the last element of set X. Now what we will do, we will find out the location of this element in the common series. Okay, means we will try to find out n for which this will be the last term. Okay, so it is, again we will apply the formula for an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a n last term is 10086 equals a is common element is 16 plus n minus 1, n we don't know, so n is this, and the common difference this is 35. Okay, so we have to use 35. Now we will, what we will do, we will simplify things. So we will send this 16 that side, so it will become 10070. Okay, and then we have n minus 1 into 35. Now you know that both are divisible by 5, so we will simplify this thing with 5. So 7 time, so it is 2014 है ना. So can I write this thing as 2014 equals 7n minus 7. So 7 this side, so 2021 by 7, then we will get the value of n. So now simplify things, so it is 7 2 time 62, 62 it is 8. Okay, 62, again it is 61. Okay, 288 point something. Okay, now what does this means? This means that in the common series this does not exist. Okay, so the location of 10086 in the common series is 288 289. It is here, somewhere here, but you know that n cannot be in something point something, so it should be a complete natural number. So the number of common term would be 288. Okay, so here we can write 288. Okay, now you have to simplify things, and if you simplify you will be having 3748. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.